Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about use conditional formatting. Let's get started. Conditional formatting is about format the cell differently depending on the value in the cell. First, click and drag to select the cells. Then click on Conditional Formatting. The formatting rules will appear on the drop-down menu. Click on Top or Bottom Rules. Then click on Top 10 Items. The top 10 items pop-up window will appear. Change the number of top items to be highlighted, and I will change it to 15. And then click to select the color for the font and cell. Click OK. And now the top 15 figures are highlighted. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.